So we're gonna get my man Adriano changing his first humidifier bottle today. And I'm gonna watch and lead the way, but he's gonna do the work. My wife says I look like Ali G with these glasses on. This video is brought to you by Hvac.com, a trades-only platform helping you find the right job or the right candidate. Hvac.com, best in trade. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is drain the bottle down.
Okay. So
you hit that switch, and then when the bottle's drained down, we're going to find the power source, and we're going to shut it off and check to see if there's for the lack of power, and then we can go ahead and start working on it. Okay, so what I want you to do is go into the 600 volt side of the transformer, make sure the power is not there before we shove our hands in to check power at the terminal block. So you're not picking anything up. Now we can kind of put our hands in there without worrying about it, and we'll double check at the terminal block.
Okay. Not a ground, right?
Yeah, check each leg to ground as well. Then we should be good to check, or we should be good to go to change that contactor after. Okay, so you can go take all the wires off the top there. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is just lift up on the bottle.
Okay.
When you lift up on it, there's about a 3/4 inch of a nipple that goes inside there.
Yeah.
Once you're up past that, you can pull it out. I think next time we're gonna have to recommend we change one of these out because it's starting to rust. But it's not leaking at the moment. It looks like it was leaking at some point, but next time we'll recommend changing the drain valve out as well.
So here, water, this is basically taking moisture out of the room?
This is putting moisture into the room. So this fills up with water. The water starts to boil. The steam moves up the pipe and goes into the duct header up there. And that moisture is distributed around the office space. Is that last question Adriano asked in that last clip? A lot of people online would say, that's a stupid question. You should know that. So I'm tired of hearing stuff like that. What he asked was perfectly fine because he didn't know the answer. Any question you don't know the answer to is a good question. So he wanted to know if that machine took moisture out of the air when in essence it's the opposite, it puts moisture into the air. So now he knows how to change a humidifier bottle, he knows why he's changing it, and he knows what a humidifier is for. So he learned a bunch that day. So let's be patient when we teach apprentices. Let's take their questions, and if we don't know the answer, let's look them up with the apprentice so we learn together. And if they want to know an answer to something you think is a stupid question, remember that it's not a stupid question for them because they're just trying to learn and they don't know that answer yet. Let's be patient, guys, and let's teach properly. Happy HVAC.